Hello, my name is Kat Kim with the Cisco TAC Cable Access team. In this short video, I will show you how to collect diagnostic logs in iOS XE. These include ShowTech logs, trace logs, onboarding failure logging (OBFL), core, and crash files. We will begin by collecting ShowTech logs, which provide a snapshot of the system state when the command is issued and contains most of the base data. ShowTech logs can be collected in two different ways: via command line by enabling logging in your terminal and running the command show tech support, or via the redirect method by outputting the contents into a file and directory. Either method works, and it's mainly up to preference. In this video, I will show you how to collect these logs using the second approach, via redirect method. Start by logging into your device and enabling user exec mode. Then run the command show tech support pipeline redirect destination location : /file name, and specify the preferred method and destination location. ShowTech logs are very extensive, so it may take more than 10 to 15 minutes for the logs to fully generate. Next, we will collect trace logs, which are the persistent logs generated by the system in boot flash trace logs. These logs provide detailed information about events that have happened within the device system. To collect trace logs and output contents into a file and directory, first set the rotate point using the command request platform software trace rotate all. Second, create a single file that is a culmination of the tracelog directory with the command request platform software trace slot rp active or standby if the option exists, archive target boot flash or standby boot flash. Finally, to transfer this file off of the device, you can use FTP, SCP, or transfer it directly to a USB. Copy the source location and file name of the archive file, then use the command copy source location : /file name destination location : /file name, and specify the preferred method and destination location. Now we will move into onboard failure logging, OBFL, which collects data related to hardware components and interface usage, including temperature, voltage, and other hardware parameters. The OBFL logs are not included in the output of show logging and will need to be run separately, using the command show logging onboard slot R0, hardware_errors, or soft_errors. When specifying the module you'd like to query for errors, note that R0 represents route processor in RP slot 0. If no output is generated by the command, that indicates that no active errors of that type exist. Finally, in iOS XE, in the event of an unexpected reboot of the device due to a software or hardware error, two potential files can be generated: the crash info file located in directory boot flash crash info, and the core.gz file, which is a zip core file located in the directory boot flash core. After gathering the logs, you can save them on your hard drive, USB, or FTP and upload them to your service request. Use the command copy source location : destination location : to copy the file to the desired output. Here's an overview of all the commands we reviewed in this video of how to collect logs in iOS XE. Thanks for watching.